Alright, good morning. It's Paul from Burak Loft. It's just before 8 o'clock in the morning, and just picked this up from the post office, so I'll let you guys know what's in there when I get home. See in the box, got a crate to put them in, so we're gonna check them out, open them up, see how they look. We'll say the post office was terrible for delivery, USPS. Couldn't get any information. The phone number to the office was incorrect. The 800 number took me an hour to get a hold of somebody. They told me that the package was going to be sent to my door by 6 o'clock last night, guaranteed. Nothing. So that wasn't great, but. Oh, these guys look great already. I'm just gonna grab the bird out. Buddy. Nice grizzle. Real nice. Look nice in the pictures, but video didn't do it justice. Really nice bird. Wings trembling. Yeah. See how that comes through, but there's one. I'll do what I always forget. The band number on that is 379. 379 Grizzle. Next. Ooh. All right. That one's a handful. You're right, buddy. Ooh, this one's feisty. Relax. I know. This one does not want to be handled, but that's all right. I'm not going to stress about holding them too much, but nice dark red. Another pretty grizzle. Pretty wing. See that? A single pintail. Pretty bird. Then finally, last bird, which is a little dirty from shipping, but that's to be expected. Nice red check. Really like this one on the video. And very nice bird. All right, well, that's all 4 birds that I got. Just wanted to show them real quick. It's the first time I'm ever getting birds sent to me. So these birds are all from Burak Loft. Jack picked them out on one of his videos. Worked with him. Great guy. Got me 4 birds sent out. So it's the first time getting birds. Couldn't be happier. I'm going to get these out in the quarantine cages, and then we'll go from there. Give you guys updates. But I think Jack might have a few birds left. I'm not 100% sure. But if he does, and they look like anything like these birds, they're real nice birds. So, and Jack's a great guy, and I've been watching this channel since I started getting into birds. So it's helped me a lot. So I would suggest the channel, and if you're looking for birds, get a hold of him, see what he has available. All right, thanks. All right, the birds are all right. Put them in a separate area to my little garden here. Put them in a separate area for quarantine for a few days, just because they've been shipped and stuff. Load of tomatoes already. This little water garden out of a stock pond that I think I might tear down, but just do a quick walk through the farm. Check everybody in the morning, so I figure just add it to the video. Tasha. Natasha. Hey, Natasha. What's up, girl? Bucky. These two are fainting goats, myotonic goats. If they get real excited or scared, they kind of lock up and just fall over. I don't do it on purpose, but it is pretty funny when it happens. This is their little goat house that I had. Got to give them some hay. Change their water. That's their area. I started out with one pasture. Actually, I started out with a dry lot, but the one pasture, and then added another one. Built a little play area for them. So that's the goats. And in the garage here. This is where I stuck the birds, the new birds. Jack. Put the 2 reds up here. They have a water, some food, and I put a pot of Javati grit in there. And then the 2 grizzles down here. Same thing, food, Javati, and water. Wish I had smaller waterers, but I need to order some more. Just had these big ones, so that's what we'll use. This area out here, I'm eventually going to tear this patio up, but this is the little aviary I first built for when I was getting the homing pigeons, but quickly outgrew that, so I set it up here for the nuns and the satinettes, the fancy birds. But the end can fold down if I want to fly them. Got another window there that goes to a new section I was talking about adding on to. But that'll be later. And there is Mom and her 4 little Muscovy ducks. Which I want to let them feather out and see what they turn out to be. The mom and the dad are lavenders with a ripple gene, so might sell all 4 of them or just a couple. Over here, it's the Kachernix quail. These were inside, but it's so nice out. Moved them out here. They're on feeder in the middle I made because they weigh so much. And then wood earths, which are hooked up to that blue line, which goes up to a bucket. It's gravity fed. So that's real easy to keep. What's up, Bucky? Hey, Tasha. Chicken coop over here. I'll walk around after we go inside to look at that. And then you can see up there above my scaffolding is my landing board and settling cages for the race birds. Sorry, still getting used to the to gimbal. Oh. There's Fernando, as my daughter named him. He's a little Bantam rooster. Cool bird. Little table here for all kinds of stuff, but this first section here is I just have for the animals to come in. There's a little Bantam hen right there. She's sitting on 4 eggs. And this section here is what we were looking at outside with that little settling board. These are the nuns and the satinettes. So you got satinettes up there. These blue satinettes. Got a couple black ones. 2 black ones. Babies in here, starting to feather and show color. Two babies in there, their mom, some nuns. These 2 are the mated pair of the first group of parents. Cockbirds in the back, hens in the front. And then down here is one of the nuns, which is on 2 eggs. So last round didn't go too well with the nuns. I don't think they're the greatest parents. First time trying to breed them, but they kicked the 1 egg out, so I don't know if it was bad or just accidentally got kicked out of the nest. So that one died. 1 hatched, but then after about a week came in and they had trampled it to death. So I don't know if another bird came in and they got in a fight in there or it just happened, but I know somebody else that has other birds like these and they had a similar issue. So pretty birds, but And this one down here, that's actually from the first round of babies I produced here. So that's a hen, I believe. Looks really nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that one or sell it. Might sell it because I have a bunch more. And then, which one is it? That one on the left. Come on. The dark one is a cockbird, I believe. And that one will be for sale. Not really trying to do shipping right now, so if anybody's close to South New Jersey, more than welcome to come check them out. This here is the area where I'm planning to do addition. Put 2 rooms there. Need a little room for quarantine or rollers, and then a hallway. And I'll have a window over here I can fly out of. And I'll put a window there and another one, and I can put an aviary out there, whatever I want to do, but just ideas right now. We'll go upstairs. This area I just redid. I got shelves here for all my stuff. Food in the trash can. Nice little table. Put a fan there to suck the hot air out. Then a friend of mine gave me this wash bin sink. So I have that. I don't have it plumbed in yet, or a drain plumb, so I just have a bucket underneath there for drain water. But it's nice to be able to just dump water in here or whatever I would need to do. I have my feed station. 2 different kinds of grits down there. One's Javati, and that other one's just a red grit, granite grit. Some of my supplements that I use. Apple cider vinegar, E. cold tonic from Siegel's. Probios, which I need to get more of. I'm using this brewer's yeast, which I think is more expensive. It has garlic in it. Seems like good stuff, but I don't know if anybody uses a different brewer's yeast. If they could suggest. If so, put it in the comments. Oils, coconut oil, red cell, Vitaprene for when they're. I got my minerals, some peanuts, backup bottles, some medicines. And over here, place to sit and watch the birds. And then this is the young bird team. Everybody's looking pretty good there. Those perches on the wall there are the ones that I'm going to go to from now on. They're made in the USA. I got them at Foley's, but they're like a thicker plastic, so you can actually scrape them, and they come up real clean if you take them out and bleach them. You can see the loft floor. I went to a bare floor. So that's what it looks like in the morning. I usually scrape first thing in the morning, but every morning. But I had to go to the post office, so that didn't get done yet. smaller wooders that I like using now. In this section here, these are a mix of younger birds that haven't been settled. There's 5 of them in there. And then these other birds that I call the older birds, but they're still technically young birds, but you can't race them because they were banned before with the 2021 birds bans came out. So, but I won't go in there, but that's the setup. These guys are getting mature because that cockbird, can't focus. Anyway, that one, there's one cockbird and hen in here. The hen already laid an egg yesterday, so I pulled it. It's sitting there. But that's what we got going on here. 2 sections. Oh, and then down here, my little homemade brooder box. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Little tiny bantam chicken hens, or I don't know if they're hens, but little bantam chickens from that rooster and the hen that's sitting more eggs downstairs. So I'll have some of them available too to local people. Turn the lights over here. Little barn swallow. You can see it. That guy. They have a nest. Where's that? Nest there in my barn. It's been there since I moved in 2 years ago, but they never used it, so it came back this year, which is pretty cool. So there's the back of the barn. You see I got the elevated landing boards. The coops are on the 2nd floor. And where that scaffolding is, I plan on building a platform with a little deck up there I could sit on, climb up there, and make it easier to move stuff around. And then underneath of that, making an aviary. And that window goes into where that new section is going to be. So the birds could come out here, have a nice maybe 6x8 or 8x10 area to come out and mess around the ground and stuff. Here's the chicken coop, which I know this chicken had 1 egg it was sitting on. It's a duck egg. Oh. Just laid a new one. Chicken egg. Watch out. There's like a little tiny pip there, so. Might have a baby. Maybe another baby duckling soon. But. Alright, well, I just wanted to do figure why I was doing the video about the new birds. I would show you guys the property, the farm. Hope it wasn't too long. There's the Black Bell Farm, where I came up with the name. But yeah, hopefully the video wasn't too long for everybody, but just wanted to show everybody what I have going on around here. So thanks again for watching.